Okay. Good morning, all of you. This is the yesterday's problem, and we have to continue the remaining two parts of the problem. We have to prove that u0 plus u1 by factorial 1x plus u2 by factorial 2x square and so on is equal to e power x into u0 plus x by factorial 1 delta u0 plus x square by factorial 2 delta square u0 and so on. That we have to prove here. And you have to take the left hand side, that is u0 plus u1 by factorial 1 x plus u2 by factorial 2 x square and so on. And we know the formulas of e of u0 is equal to u1, e of u0 is equal to u1, and e square of u0 is equal to u2, and e cubed of u0 is equal to u3 and so on. These are the formulas that I have already known. Now applying these formulas in the above series that we have, tell me the slide. Okay, now see this one, that is equal to u0 plus x by factorial 1 e u0 plus x square by factorial 2 e square u0 plus x cubed by factorial 3 e cubed x cubed by factorial 3 e cubed u0 and so on. Right? Now, this one we have to take u0 as a common. That is equal to 1 plus x by factorial 1 e plus x square e square by factorial 2 plus x cubed e cubed by factorial 3 and so on of u0. And we have to observe that this is the expansion of e power x. What is the expansion of e power x? Anyone? 1 plus x by factorial 1 plus x square by factorial 2 and so on. This is nothing but e power x expansion. Here instead of x value, xe is there. Therefore, we have to write this one as e power xe of u0. E power xe of u0. And what is the value of e? And we know the value of e is equal to 1 plus delta. That we have to apply here. That is equal to e power 1 plus delta 1 plus delta x into u0. Right? Now we have to split this one as e power x into e power x delta into u0. Here e power x is a constant that you have to put outside that value, and we have to write this one as e power x and e power x expansion. What is the e power x delta that you have to write in the expansion of e power delta? 1 plus x delta by factorial 1 plus x square delta square by factorial 2 and so on of u naught. Right? Take u naught as inside. Therefore, we have to write that one as e power x into u naught plus x by factorial 1 delta u naught plus x square by factorial 2 delta square u naught and so on. Right? This is the proof of the second one. Okay. This is a simple solution for the given problem. And again, we move into the third one. What is the third one? u1 of x u3 of x cubed plus and so on. And again, we have to use the values for u1, u2, u3. What are the values for u1? E u naught is equal to u1 u1 e square u naught is equal to u2 e cubed u naught is equal to u3 and so on. That we have to substitute in the above series, right? Now we have to see that is equal to u1x. u1x means that we have to find out the solution in terms of u1 or u2 like that. Here in this problem, u naught is there, not there in this problem. Therefore, we have to observe. See here, u naught is not there. Therefore, you should not use this inequality. You should not use this type of inequality. You have to write unf x3 of x square. Here we have to write this one in terms of e1, u1. Therefore, eu1 is equal to I will write in the next phase, not possible to write here. eu1 is equal to u2. Similarly, e square u1 is equal to u3 and so on like this, using these inequalities. Okay, now we have right here that is equal to u1x plus eu1 x square plus e square u1 x cube and so on. Now we have to take u1 as a common, take outside that one. That one's x plus ex square plus e square x cubed plus so on of u1 of u1. And again you have to take x is also common. That is equal to x times of 1 plus EU x times of 1 plus EX plus E square x square and so on of U1 and so on of U1. Now again we have to observe that this is what is this one? This is the expansion of 1 minus x whole power minus 1. Now, note down that formula also for remembrance. We know that 1 plus x square and so on is equal to 1 minus x whole power. అన్ని ప్లస్ వస్తే ఏమొస్తుంది మైనస్ వస్తుంది 1 minus x whole power minus 1. In the same phenomenon we have write this one as that is equal to x into 1 minus xe whole power minus 1 of u1. 1 minus xe whole power xe or ex, right? Now what is the value of e? E is equal to 1 plus delta, that we have to write. E is equal to 1 plus delta. That is equal to x into 1 by 1 minus of 1 plus delta into x of u1. Now we have to split that one. That is equal to x into 1 by 1 minus, so multiply with x, 1 minus x minus delta x into, in the numerator, u1. In the numerator, u1. Right? In the denominator, 1 minus x is one variable, treated as one variable. Delta x is treated as another variable. Therefore, we rewrite that one as x into 1 by, in the denominator we have to take 1 plus x as a common term. That is equal to 1 plus x of 1 minus delta x by 1 minus x. That we have rewrite this one like this into u1. That we have to rewrite x by, ఇది ఎందుకు తీసుకున్నాము, మనకు సొల్యూషన్ లో రైట్ హ్యాండ్ సైడ్ x by 1 minus x టర్మ్స్ రావాలి కాబట్టి దాని కన్వీనియంట్ గా మనం రీరైట్ చేస్తున్నాం. దట్ we have to rewrite this one like this into, take this one as 1 minus delta x by 1 minus x whole power minus 1 into u1. Again we have to expand this one in terms of 1 plus x square plus x cubed and so on using this expansion. That is equal to x by 1 minus x, we have to put outside, 1 plus x delta x by 1 minus x plus x square delta square x square by 1 minus x whole square plus so on u1. Here delta is related to u1, u2, u3, not at for x 1 minus x. Therefore again rewrite this one as x by 1 minus x of u1 plus x by 1 minus x into delta u1 plus x square by 1 minus x or whole square into delta square u1 and so on. Right? This is the take that value into inside. X minus 1 by x take into multiplied with all terms inside that function. Therefore, we have to write. Shall I move the slide?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. That is equal to x by 1 minus x u1 plus x by 1 minus x whole square into delta u1 plus x by 1 minus x whole cubed into delta square u1 plus so on. That is the solution of this problem. Okay. Now we have to do some more problems on these type of values. Okay. Then note on the another example. Prove that e power x is equal to delta square by e power x into e of e power x divided by delta square e power x. Here the two terms are there. This is the product is there middle. E power x is equal to delta square by e into of e power x into e power plus x, not minus x is this one. No confusion. E power x. Okay. Now let us see the solution where h is the interval of differentiating. Where h is the interval of differentiating. Right. Now, what is the formula of E of f of x? Anyone? E of f of x. What is the formula for E of f of x? Anyone? E of f of x. What is the formula for E of shift operator f of x?
f of x plus h.
Very good, Nana. F of x plus h. F of x plus h. Right? Now, E of e power x. E of e power x is equal to e power x plus h. Is it true? E power x plus h. Now what about delta of e power x? Delta of e power x, anyone? Delta of f of x is equal to f of x plus h minus f of x. So delta of e power x is equal to e power x plus h
Minus e power x.
Very good. E power x plus h. ఇది ఎడ్జెస్ లో సరిగా రాయదు ఒకసారి చూద్దాం. E power x plus h minus e power x. Okay. Similarly, what about delta square e power x? Delta square e power x. దీన్ని మనం ఇంకా ఆల్రెడీ మనం చేసాం, గుర్తుందో సారీ, rewriting this one, e power x into e power h minus e power x. You have to take e power x as common, e power x into e power h minus 1. Tada? So similarly we can find out delta square e power x, that is equal to delta of this above function, e power x into e power h minus 1. Therefore here e power h minus 1 is a constant and delta of e power x. Delta of e power x is equal to, again formula we have to apply this one, e power h minus 1 into e power x into e power h minus 1, using this function again. Now this is nothing but e power x into e power h minus 1 whole square, right? These are the two formulas. This one is delta square e power x. These are the two values. Okay. Now coming to the problem, left hand side. What is the left hand side of the problem? Left hand side of the problem is equal to right hand side. First you have to take delta square by e of e power x, that you have to see. Now delta square by e of e power x. Delta square by e is nothing but delta square into e inverse of e power x, right? Now that is equal to delta square e inverse of e power x. E inverse of e power x is equal to, what is the formula for e inverse of f of x? Anyone? What is the formula for this one? F of x minus h. F of x minus h, that we have to apply here. That is equal to delta square e power x minus h. Delta square e power x minus h. Shall I move the slide? Right? That is delta square e power x minus h, that is equal to delta square of e power x into e power minus h. E power minus h. Therefore, that is equal to e power minus h into delta square of e power x. Now we know the value of delta square of e power x. Previous condition. And then that is equal to e power minus h of e power x into e power h minus 1 whole square. Right? Therefore, we have to write this one as e power minus h e power h minus 1 whole square into e power x. This is the, what is this value? Delta square by e into e power x. Now we have to take the RHS. RHS, right hand side. What is RHS? Delta square by e into e power x into e of e power x divided by delta square of e power x. This is RHS one. Dintlo we have to substitute all these values. That is equal to, what is the first one? E power minus h into e power h minus 1 whole square into e power x. This is the first part, into e of e power x. E of e power x is equal to e power x plus h divided by delta square e power x into e power h minus 1 whole square. So same like terms that we have to cancel with the different color for easily understood. E power x gets cancelled, e power h minus 1 whole square, e power h minus 1 gets whole square, and what is the remaining function? That is equal to e power minus h into e power x plus h. Now take inside that value e power minus h plus x plus h. So minus h plus h gets cancelled. This is equal to e power x. Hence the solution of this problem. Okay, these are very simple. Now again we move into some more problems. Prove the following. Prove the following. Number 1. HD is equal to log of 1 plus delta, that is also same as minus log of 1 minus del is equal to sin h inverse mu delta. Sin h inverse mu delta. Mu delta. That is the first one. And the second one, e power 1 by 2 plus e power minus 1 by 2 into 1 plus delta whole power 1 by 2 is equal to 2 plus delta. 2 plus delta. Then next, number 4, number 3. Delta is equal to 1 by 2 small delta square plus small delta into root over 1 plus delta square by 4. That is third one. And fourth one, delta cubed y2 is equal to del cubed y5. These are the 4 properties that you have to prove, right? Solutions. We know that e power hd. What is the formula for e power hd? Anyone? So cheppale. E power hd is equal to capital E. Capital E is nothing but 1 plus delta. Okay. So from this, e power hd is equal to 1 plus delta. By definition of logarithm, hd is equal to log of 1 plus delta. That is the first property. Okay. And the second one, minus log of 1 minus del prove cheyali. Okay. Now, also e power hd is equal to e. Okay. Now hd is equal to log e. So ఇప్పుడు ఏం చేద్దాము, -1 తో ఇన్సైడ్ అవుట్ సైడ్ మల్టిప్లై చేద్దాం. దిస్ కెన్ బి రిటన్ యాజ్ మైనస్ లాగ్ ఆఫ్ ఈ ఇన్వర్స్. రైట్ కదా, మైనస్ లాగ్ ఆఫ్ ఈ ఇన్వర్స్. E inverse is equal to 1 minus del. E inverse is equal to 1 minus del. Therefore, that is equal to minus log of 1 minus del. That is this one. This is the second property. Okay. And what is the third one? Again, we have to prove this one as a sin h inverse mu delta. Sin h inverse mu delta. Now, first we have to write down the formulas for mu. What is mu? That is the average operator. Average operator, mean operator. 1 by 2 of e power 1 by 2 plus e power minus 1 by 2. And delta is the central difference operator. What is central difference operator? Delta is equal to e power 1 by 2 minus e power minus 1 by 2. We know that, Ranandi. We know that We know that mu is equal to this one, that one. Now product these two. Mu delta is equal to yes, mu delta is equal to 1 by 2 into e power 1 by 2 plus e power minus 1 by 2 into product of e power 1 by 2 minus e power minus 1 by 2. Now we have to observe that it is in the form of a plus b into a minus b. A plus b into a minus b is equal to a plus b into a minus b. It is in the form of a plus b into a minus b. That is equal to a square minus b square. A plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. That means e power 1 by 2 into whole square minus e power minus 1 by 2 whole square. That is equal to e minus e power minus 1. That I write in the next page. That is equal to mu delta is equal to 1 by 2 of e minus e power minus 1. Now what is e? E is equal to e power hd. 1 by 2 e power hd minus e power minus hd. Right? Now by definition of sin hd, hyperbolic function definition prakaram em avutundi? This is in the form of sin hd. Sin hd. Okay. Now hd is equal to sin inverse mu delta. Sin inverse mu delta. This is the first one. Okay. Now coming to the second one. What is the second one? E power 1 by 2 plus e power minus 1 by 2 into 1 plus delta. That we have to see. E power 1 by 2 plus e power minus 1 by 2 into 1 plus delta whole power 1 by 2. 1 plus delta whole power 1 by 2. 1 plus delta ante enta? 1 plus delta is nothing but e. That is equal to e power 1 by 2 plus e power minus 1 by 2 into e power 1 by 2. Since 1 plus delta is equal to e. 1 plus delta is equal to e. Okay. Now take e power 1 by 2 inside. Take e power 1 by 2 into inside. That means e power 1 by 2 into e power 1 by 2. That is equal to e and e power minus 1 by 2 into e power 1 by 2. That is equal to 1. E plus 1. E plus 1 is equal to e is equal to 1 plus delta. That is equal to 1 plus delta plus 1. 1 plus delta plus 1 is equal to 2 plus delta. That is the solution, second one. Right? And again the third one. What is the third one? What is the third one? 1 by 2 small delta square plus delta into root over 1 plus small delta square by 4. That we have to expanding. Delta value is equal to, we know that small delta value is equal to e power 1 by 2 minus e power minus 1 by 2. That we have to use. Okay. Now take our problem. 1 by 2 delta square plus RHS plus delta into root over 1 plus delta square by 4 is equal to. Now we have to substitute the value of delta in terms of e power 1 by 2 minus e power 1 by 2 in the right hand side of the given problem. That is equal to 1 by 2 of e power 1 by 2 minus e power minus 1 by 2 whole square delta square plus delta value is equal to e power 1 by 2 minus e power minus 1 by 2 into root over 1 plus e power 1 by 2 minus e power minus 1 by 2 whole square by 4 whole square by 4. Okay, now we have to simplify this one. We will get the final solution. That value is equal to delta. Shall I move the slide? Now here we have to apply that a plus b whole square, a minus b whole square. A minus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab. Inside and outside. That is the next step. That is equal to a minus b whole square 1 by 2 of e plus e inverse minus 2 plus e power 1 by 2 minus e power minus 1 by 2 into root over same 1 plus e plus ఇక్కడ రాయట్లేదు కింద రాస్తాను. It is not possible to write here. One plus e plus e inverse minus 2 by 4 minus 2 by 4. Okay, now inside the root take LCM and simplify. 4 minus 2 is equal to plus 2. Therefore that is equal to 1 by 2 e plus e power minus 1 minus 2 plus e power 1 by 2 minus e power minus 1 by 2 into root over e plus minus 1 plus 2 by 4 minus 1 plus 2 by 4. That is again in the form of a plus b whole square. E power 1 by 2 whole square plus e power minus 1 by 2 whole square plus 2 into e power 1 by 2 into e power minus 1 by 2 whole divided by 4 is equal to e power 1 by 2 plus e power minus 1 by 2 whole square by 4. That you have write in the next step. Simply we have to rewrite using the formula a plus b whole square and a minus b whole square. We will get the solution. E plus e power minus 1 by 2 minus 2 plus e power 1 by 2 minus e power minus 1 by 2 into root over this. You can write this one as e power 1 by 2 plus e power minus 1 by 2 whole square by 4. Now eliminating the root, next step, that is equal to 1 by 2 of e plus e power minus 1 minus 1 minus 2 plus e power 1 by 2 minus e power minus 1 by 2 into e power root both e power 1 by 2 plus e power minus 1 by 2 into 1 by 2. So again it is in the form of a plus b into a minus b. A plus b into a minus b. That is equal to 1 by 2 e plus e power minus 1 minus 2 plus 1 by 2 into a square minus b square, that is e minus e power minus 1, a square minus b square. Now take 1 by 2 as common throughout the equation. 1 by 2 of e plus e inverse minus 2 plus e minus e inverse. Here e inverse gets cancelled. That is equal to e plus e2, 2e minus 2, 1 by 2 into 2e minus 2. Take 2 as outside. That is equal to 2 by 2 into e minus 1. That is equal to e minus 1. E minus 1 is equal to delta. E minus 1 is equal to delta. There is the solution of this problem. Okay. And again, the next one more problem is there. That is the fourth one. Delta cubed y2. This is also very simple. Delta cubed y2. Delta cubed y2. Now what is the formula? E of y0 is equal to y1. Using this formula, delta cubed in the delta is equal to e minus 1. That is e minus 1. ఈ ఎక్స్పాన్షన్ చాలా అవసరం నాన్న. ఇది మనం ఇంకా నెక్స్ట్ రేపు మధ్యాహ్నం కూడా వాడతాం. That is equal to a minus b whole cubed. Anyone? A minus b whole cubed is equal to a cubed minus 3a square plus 3e minus 1 of y2. That is equal to e cubed y2 minus 3e square y2 plus 3e y2 minus y2. Right? Now we have to apply the formula. E cubed y2 means Anyone? E cubed y2. E cubed y2 minus 3e square y2 plus 3e y2 minus y2. So cubed ante 3 వస్తుంది అంటే మీ this is nothing but y power 5 minus 3 2 y4 plus 3 y3 minus y2. You call this one as equation 1. Similarly, second one తీసుకోండి. Similarly, delta cubed y5 that is equal to 1 minus e inverse whole cubed y5. Same a minus b whole cubed 1 minus 3e power minus 1 plus 3e power minus 2 minus e power minus 3 of y5. Same, that is equal to y5 minus 3 y4 plus 3 y3 minus y2. So this is equation 2. Therefore, from 1 and 2, delta cubed y2 is equal to del cubed y5. Del cube. Now here I am stopped, and in the afternoon class we have to do some more problems. Okay, don't leave the class. Any doubts?